So good day, everyone. My name is Mohammed Aish.
And I am Ismail Salubre.
We're going to talk about
And
our prototype named E-Wallet or electric wallet.
so basically, basically with technology progressing today at a faster rate, developers are trying to come up with more ways to give the users a better experience when using their applications. In addition to developers trying to figure out new ways to give the user best experience, be it through human-computer interaction or improving the interface through innovative designs, we're trying to create a new application that would give the users the greatest experience they can get out of application. So human computer interaction is now one of the aspects developers take into consideration in designing their software. So with this in mind, once again, we'll be analyzing and breaking down our application so that we'll be able to explain and prove as to why we chose this kind of design with our prototype and how basic human changes, or I mean basic UI changes could give a significant effect on the user experience. So take the lead, Poloy.
Okay, so let's move on to the prototype. So can you see my screen, Mr. Mitsmail?
See it clearly, Mr. Poloy.
So this is our mobile version, but in a desktop version, it's pretty much similar to this since it serves as an extension to a browser. So it's just the same, but instead of tapping it like this, you just click it. But the user interface is pretty much similar. So this is our homepage. As we can see, we have our features here and our, amount in our wallet. So let's start with the cash in. You can you can top up funds from your bank that is linked to your e-wallet. Let's say you enter amount here, then you just click top up. Next, we can send. We can send just like Gcash. You can enter the phone number or select existing contact and then enter amount and a message if you want to, then just click send. Next, we also have request. Here we have our QR code and also link if you want them to scan for request, or you can just enter phone number or name and enter amount and also message if you want, then just click send for request. Here we have a unique feature called family wallet. So this family wallet is only accessible to the family members, and you need to be verified here so that you can see or transact in the family wallet. For example, we have the father, mother, son, and daughter. They are verified so they can access this wallet, and the total funds, like for example, this 500,000 are all from the family members, and we can see the recent transactions here, like the father deposited 50,000 and the mother withdraw 5,000. You can also withdraw or deposit as long as you're a member of this family wallet. Next, we have the loan. You can loan money or e-wallet or e-loan, and you can also load just like in Gcash. Just click and then send. You can also buy load. Just enter the phone number here and you can buy your load. You can also pay bills through e-wallet, electric bills, water bills, internet, and others, or you can search it in your own. Then we also have a bank transfer. If you want to transfer your funds to another bank, you can just enter the bank name, account number, and the amount, and then just click transfer. We can also shop online. Let's say you want groceries, clothes, essentials, emergency, or others. You can just click here and see what you got and just click shop online. Then we also have games. If you want to buy a load for Steam or Riot or any game, you can just click here and enter the amount and just buy the game. Here we also have a unique feature called crypto. This crypto wallet serves like a MetaMask wallet in a browser extension. And here you can also select another network. This is Ethereum network. You also have a Binance Smart Chain or any network, and you can buy or send You also can see your assets and your activities. You can also import your tokens here. This is unique because the Gcash doesn't have any crypto wallet at the moment. And I think that's pretty much all of the features. I'm gonna go back to the PowerPoint in a minute.
No, Puloy, I'll just stay with that screen. I
Sorry,
want to
sorry, I
explain
forgot.
something a bit more. So with our with the way designed our application, we're actually thinking of human virtues to induce or to focus on upon creating this what we would be stimulating. So basically, we want to stimulate the human greed and human sloth. So the question here is, why do you want to get e-wallet or e-Lette? So basically, we all know how tiring it is to carry a huge amount of coins and paper cash on our wallets, because sometimes it gets heavy, and also we can all say it, money is dirty. And with a e-Lette, you actually have all your assets on the palm of your hand, so it's much easier to access it. At the same time, we thought of a way to make things easier for you to handle and to look over all your assets. So we added the cryptocurrency feature so that you'll be able to check on your assets, on your stocks, on your crypto, for you to actually access it more, stimulating the sloth in all of us. At the same time, we are also thinking of how we can stimulate the greed in humanity. So basically, we have here the cryptocurrency once again. So what this does is you can actually trade your stocks, send your stocks, buy some stocks. And in a way, it would help you earn more money with our application by buying and trading on a platform. So basically, what this means, if you would be able to invest your money on cryptocurrency, right? And also at the same time, the way we designed our application, it's, as you can see, it's clearly similar to how Gcash is designed and laid out. We designed it in a way that thinking the Gcash users would be coming to our application, because since it's more easy to use, it has a lot more better features compared to Gcash. And so we created it in a way that the users from Gcash would have an easier way to integrate or get used to our application design. And as you can see also, the four main features or functions of our applications have their buttons made larger. This is so that the users are able to see and notice quickly those buttons that are frequently used, such as topping up for more cash to their e-Lette, sending money to a person, requesting money to a person, or managing your family wallet, regulating it, allowing who can pay who or how much you're going to be able to pay. Also, at the same time, just like Gcash, we're able to interact with our system by tapping or clicking on the buttons, and typing the amount or typing the message you want to send out to that person. You can also interact with our system by scanning the QR code, which you can do when you are sending out money or requesting money. And also, we have laid out the buttons in a way that coherent functions are placed beside each other so that you won't be having a hard time looking for specific functions. For example, sending money and requesting money are in a way coherent to each other. So you have placed them right beside each other. Same time, shopping online and gaming is basically or does basically have the same function. That is why we place them together. So with that in mind, this is how we created our application. And what else? Give me a moment here. So yeah, that I think that's about it. So Puloy.
So that's all. Thank you so much. Once again, I'm Mohammed Aish.
And I am Ismail Salubri. And thank you so much for listening to our pep talk.
Thank you for giving us time, guys. Bye-bye.